सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या आदेशांचे उल्लंघन करपी 3 ते 4 याचिकेच्यो सुनावण्यो फुडें धुकल्ल्यात आनी तातूंत गोंयच्या म्हादय विशींची याचिकेची लेगीत आस्पाव आसा अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी दिली। ह्या सुनावणीची फुडली तारीख अजून मेरेन निश्चित जावंक ना। ही तारीख कॉम्प्युटर जनरेटेड आसतली अशेंय एजी सांगता। मजगतीं आमी कर्नाटक राज्यान बेकायदेशीररित्या सुरू केल्ले म्हादैचे उदक वळोवपाच्या कामाचेर सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान स्थगिती हाडची अशी मागणी घेवन सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान वतले अशें एजी म्हणटा।
This was restated serial number 43 on the board of the Chief Justice. There were certain matters which were deleted from the list. There are 3 or 4 matters. One of was this. All those matters which were related were contempt petitions. So we also had one contempt petition in this. So that's the reason why this matter got deleted. And we are waiting for the next probable date, which will be computer generated date. So we will inform you once we get that date. In the meanwhile, what has happened is we have decided to file an interim application before the Supreme Court, which will be filed in the next week. And in that interim relief, we will ask for a stay on the approval granted by the central government to the DPR prepared by the Karnataka state. This is one thing which we are going to ask. Secondly, we are going to ask and request the Supreme Court to grant stay on any construction that may be intended to be carried out by the Karnataka government. These are 2 reliefs which we are seeking before the Supreme Court. The major grounds which are raising before the Supreme Court is that under Section 29 of the Wildlife Protection Act, nobody can divert any water from any wildlife sanctuary, and there is a complete embargo. The only reason there can be a diversion of water with the permission of the chief wildlife warden of the wildlife sanctuary for the benefit of that very same wildlife sanctuary. It cannot be diverted for any other purpose except for the use of that wildlife sanctuary. And therefore, insofar as chief wildlife warden is concerned, there is no permission granted by him. On the contrary, we have requested him that he should take action under Section 29 of the Wildlife Protection Act.